Hello friend. Today I will convince you to homework is beneficial. Now I start with one quote. Homework is a practice, and practice make man perfect. In the article, author give definition about the homework. The homework means work given to the student by the teacher, and the homework including reading, research, assignment, writing. In this present situation, many children spend their hours in the evening for homework. In the one side, people believe that the children homework is help children in their academic career, and the other side they feel it is mostly useless. Now in this presentation I give convince about the benefit about the homework, and it is useful for school children. This is my mapping page. In this page the authors give a benefit about the homework. Homework is help in education and get result about good result. Also author give a statement that the homework is a help club, and this is the benefit about the homework. Now in the article author give only one logical appeal, and it is a survey. This survey give a homework is a improve performance about the student in 0.7%, and it is a survey by Longman in 1989 in the article Synthesis of Research on Homework. Now I give you a emotional appeal by watching this video.
Yeah, put it up in the search engine line. Just copy that and put it in the search engine line. You see what I'm saying? Not that one. Yeah, put that here.
Let's see. Volume. Volume.
Is the remote up there? Hand me the white remote. White. That one. Here. Here. Give it to me.
Thank you.
Oh. That volume is on, which means... Hold on. Thanks, mate.
Well,
right. Before Mikin goes on, did you all notice that little boy's eye contact and his body language and his gestures?
Yes.
How old do you think he was? Maybe 8 years old? If he can do that, you guys can do it. Good, thank you.
Now I am going to talk about my counter argument. The author Cooper Henry give us the counter argument about that homework. That teacher give you homework, too much homework. The children do not have free time to relax to or play sport. The reason too is the unnecessary assignment. Like we don't have enough improve their future study, and they give assignment about that. So this is the unnecessary assignment. So this give your productivity and performance lower and not raising it. Now I will convince you about the three argument. First one is Cooper Henry says that enhance the understanding of learning because of the doing homework. The student doing homework, there is the give you a better accurate knowledge. They increase the understanding. They also thinking about the critical condition. Their concept also development, and their improvement in curriculum. Now the second argument is the improve their academic performance. In the study, they have also improved their in the class time. They learn during their leisure time. They towards about that school improve their skill and habits. This is said by the Wildman PR in the synthesis of research on homework. The third argument is given by the Otto. They give a non-academic effects on the student doing homework. They give a effect like greater self-direction, greater discipline, time organization, more interest about the subject, and they more independent about their problem solving in their life in future life. In the conclusion, homework is not a waste of time. It is helpful for their student academic career. But all the people have debate on this homework. What they said, debate on homework like this is a negative or positive aspect of homework. But in these three arguments, I will convince you to benefit of homework. And in my opinion, the finding the balance between the free time and homework will lead to a happy and successful school experience for the children. And finally, the homework is improve the academic performance of the student in the academic career, and they increase knowledge and memory. This is my reference page, and thank you. Merci, thank you.
Oh, that's wonderful. So, what do you guys think? Are you convinced that homework is good?
Yes.
Good job, Mikin.
Thank you.
You can give us homework as you want.
Really?
But after completion of 1 day.
I give you my example about the homework. In the class, communication class, I give first presentation about the Taj Mahal. It is not well good. Like I see 2 days before ma'am say uploading YouTube. Now I am feel better and presentation.
Wow. Bye bye. Bye bye.